Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm hoping you can see me pretty well. I tried to rig up my lights in a way where you could see me, but as you guys remember, I did that big closet declutter, but I actually kept a few things because I just didn't have replacements for them. It was like, get rid of my shorts or have no shorts, so keep some shorts. Even if you don't like them, get rid of them later. So today we're going to be doing a closet revamp video. We are going to declutter. We're going to put away all of my winter stuff, as well as we are going to add in some new things that I have finally got replacements for. I can finally like zhuzh up everything at once. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I'm going to start this video off by showing you the new things I got as replacements or additions to the closet. I got a pair of short rain boots, and these fit really well. I've been trying to find a pair of good rain boots in store, but they're always like slightly too thin. These ones are really comfortable. I actually got them off Amazon. I also need a new bathing suit, so I got this black one-piece crisscross pattern down the middle, and it has like ruching on the bodice. I got two pairs of shorts, so these are just some white linen shorts. One in white, one in like this camely mustard color. I picked up 3 pairs of leggings. These are really good leggings, also off Amazon. I already own a pair and I really like them, so I just want to get a few more because they're really durable and they last long and they look really great. So I got this basic black t-shirt dress because I realized I only wear black dresses for work and I never wear them in my real life, and I want to have one that was like just for everyday life, not for work. I got a new Bible, a proper, well, I don't want to say, not that the other one wasn't proper, but the one that I actually need. And then I got 2 just basic t-shirts, one in white as well as one in black. And they're so cozy and comfy and like they're so soft. Most of the stuff I got here I got off of Amazon. Also got a pair of pajama pants off Amazon, and I really like these. They're super thin and lightweight, but they're super long, and being a 5'11" girl, that's very hard to find, is things that are long enough to fit you. And then last but not least, I got a black rain jacket. It has like big buttons going down along it, and I really need to replace my other one because my other one is not waterproof and it's ripping. All the replacements. So let's go ahead and just start the declutter. I also got this really cute sunglass holder. The other things that I did get in the Amazon haul, in case you're wondering, I got some reusable produce bags, so this way I don't have to use like the plastic ones that you find in regular grocery stores. They're super light, so they're not going to add to the weight of the product. As well as a few of these, which are reusable Ziploc bags. I use these a lot in lunches, so it's just nice to have something that you can literally wash out and use again. So first thing is I got a dress, which I really like this dress. It's not in the right category. We're just going to move it to where it belongs. Because it's summer, I'm not really wearing too many of my long sleeves. So I'm just going to put away the ones that are super hot. And then I'm pretty much just going to put away all of my sweaters. Pretty much going to leave a majority of my long sleeves. This white blouse, I never wear it. I'm just going to give this one away. Same with this black blouse. This is a black striped blouse. Just doesn't fit properly, and again, I just never wear it. Let's start putting away sweaters. I'm going to leave at least one sweater just for days. A couple sweaters. So I'm going to keep like this hooded gray sweater. I'm going to keep this thin jogging sweater because I like to use it for runs. I'll keep my cardigan because my cardigan's really thin. It's good just for when you're going to like a party or something and you want to have something warm. My black zip sweater, I'm keeping that in there too. I'm going to put away this one. I just don't wear it too often, so I can just pull it out if I need it. Pretty much going to keep all of my dresses out. This one, yes, gray t-shirt. Because I do love wearing dresses in the summer. These 2 dresses are like my black sweater dresses, so they're really warm. Not ideal for summer, so I think I'm just going to put them away as well. These are more of like my winter fall dresses. I do really love them. This black dress, I have literally never worn it, and I probably never will. I'm just gonna give it away. I'm gonna put this sweater away. It's another cardigan. I'm just gonna try on this skirt and see if it's long enough, because I got a feeling that it's not. It is long enough. Okay, we're keeping you. But yeah, guys, we are done with the closet stuff. Look at this pile of things I have to put away. It's a big old pile. And I got 3 things so far for donation. Let's start working on the drawers. We're also gonna give away this Bible because I don't use it. We're gonna skip the top drawer. It's things that I will go through on my own time. I'm gonna give away these pair of black shorts. As you remember, I made some new shorts, so gonna give those ones away. They're really short. Keep my workout shorts. I'm gonna keep my skirts. I'm actually gonna give away these 2 colorful pair of shorts. They do fit, but honestly, I just want colors that are more grown-up looking, so we're just gonna give those away. Another skirt, keeping you. This one is actually it's just a simple black skater skirt. I'm giving this one away because I have one from Old Navy that fits away better and is a little bit longer. I almost gave away the good pair of shorts. These pair I'm keeping. These are the ones I made. They gotta be touched up a little bit. They're a little frayy. These are the ones that are super duper short that I want to give away. We're done with that category. Keeping this tank top. I'm going to give away the spaghetti crop tops. I just think they're too short. I'm not into it. So we'll give away those 3. Keeping my camisole. I'm going to give away this one actually because I wear these ones more than this one. I'm keeping this one. This is a nice house shirt. By the way, this black tank top, I don't like how they fit. We got another workout t-shirt. Workout t-shirt, keeping. Baby blue t-shirt, keeping. I just got the one for my mom. This blue t-shirt, I just got it. Gonna keep it. Really raggedy, but it is so comfy. Gonna keep it. Black t-shirt, keeping. White t-shirt, keeping. Black t-shirt, keeping. Black quarter sleeve. Some of these things are for work, so I have to keep the work stuff. T-shirt, keeping. Another t-shirt, keeping. I have a lot of t-shirts. This is like another good house shirt. Keeping you. Another crop top. I'm just gonna get rid of it. It's too short. It's too short to even be a crop top. Another tank top that's white, not keeping. I don't like it. This is one of my favorite blouses. I don't even know how it got in there. I'm gonna hang this up. This black overlay t-shirt, I really like it. It's so cool. Keeping you. And that completes our first drawer. Now on to the bottom drawer, which is like pajamas and pants. These are my favorite leggings. These are the duplicate pairs that I just bought, so we're obviously gonna keep those. Gonna keep my blue jeans, as well as the black jeans, and the white jeans, and the green jean. Okay, leggings. These ones I'm gonna keep because they're pretty good. This one's going. These ones are going. These ones are going. These ones are going. These ones are going. I have just learned that buying really inexpensive like clothing is really more expensive in the long run because you have to constantly replace it. It's basically called fast fashion, which means buying really cheap clothes because you think, what a great deal. But then you realize the quality is so bad that you're constantly replacing, and it's just worth it to buy one expensive article that's gonna last you a really long time. So I've learned. I'm gonna put away all of like the sweater pajamas, long sleeve pajamas, because it's just too hot. It's summer. We don't need all that warm stuff. All the shorts out. I love wearing shorts. Dresses can stay out, as well as sleeping t-shirts can stay out. How is this dress in here? Okay, this dress does not belong here. I'm hanging this up. I'm gonna get rid of these pair of pajama shorts because they're really old and raggedy. They don't need to be in here. Let's stay with these ones. These ones can go. This dress can go. It's very tight. It's really hard to move in. I'm gonna keep these pajama pants. They're a little bit short, which is why I bought the longer ones, but I'm still gonna wear them. Okay. I'm also gonna give away this black purse. The strap is broken. I don't know how to fix it. I'm sure somebody else will figure out how to fix it. And my rain jacket that does not keep me dry or anything at all when it rains. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the last drawer. So this is a club outfit that I wore for my 21st birthday that I will probably never wear again. I'm just gonna donate it. Someone else can find the love. These are chef pants. Probably never gonna wear these again. I'm gonna donate these. I'm gonna get rid of this sweater. It's just a little too small. This sweater I will keep. Just dust it off. More chef pants. This t-shirt I'm gonna get rid of. Do I get rid of this coat? I'm gonna keep this bathing suit cover up. I'm gonna wipe out this drawer before I put the new stuff in it. Because it's just like a drawer under my bed. One, I don't really care how it's folded. Two, it's still really accessible. So if I need anything, it's not completely out of reach. I'm going to finish off by putting away all the new stuff. Oh. I'm also going to give away this house coat. Just because it's really cute, but it's short, and I have 3 house coats, so I don't really need another one. It's so soft. So I'm going to give it to one of my sisters or my mom, whoever wants it, and they can enjoy it. So here are all of the things that I'm going to be decluttering today. So 1 house coat, a black purse, a Bible, a gray t-shirt, 2 chef pants, a pink sweater, a rain jacket, a pink night dress, a club outfit, 2 pairs of pajama shorts, 5 leggings, 3 tank tops, 2 blouses, 3 pairs of shorts, 1 black dress, 1 skater skirt, and 4 crop tops. Okay guys, that pretty much completes this video. As you saw, we decluttered, we put away all our winter stuff, we put away the new stuff, and pretty much just gave everything a nice freshen up and organization. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos every Monday and Thursday. Comment below for what you guys want to see next time. And until next time, bye!